interesting question, because I am somebody, as the leader of Plaid Cymru now, not from a Welsh-speaking background or Welsh-speaking family or Welsh-speaking community myself, although I'm learning, or I'd say attempting to learn. I don't find it easy, and I'll be honest with you, to learn the Welsh language. I would like to think that we can appeal to everybody on politics, regardless of which language people speak, but I do accept as well that there is a certain perception that people see that we only stand up for Welsh speakers, and I would throw that back and say, look, if we were seriously only about that, then why would the membership of Plaid Cymru have elected me as leader? I don't think that they would have, if that was the chief primary concern. That said, it's very important to us, and you know, we wouldn't want to, as a generation, see the Welsh language die on our watch, would we? I'm sure none of us would want that, whether we're able to speak Welsh or not. But really, politics will only progress in Wales if everybody, regardless of their background, gets behind a project to build the country up. That's what's happened in Scotland. Everybody's got behind this particular project to improve the economy, get people into work, better paid work, improving people's livelihoods and standard of living, and everybody getting together and pushing behind a government that really wants to do that. And I think that we'll only see progress in this country when people here decide to do the same thing. Because let's face it, if we just carry on doing the things that we've always done, and keep voting Labour and keep having a Labour government for another 17 years, then nothing's going to change. We'll continue to stagnate or decline in the way that we have for the last 10 years, and I just don't think that's good enough.